Hi everyone, and welcome back to this lesson. What I'm going to demonstrate here is how you can use the keyboard shortcut to access ribbon and run commands. So let's get started. Many times keyboard shortcuts are faster way to manipulate the ribbon without using the mouse. Our goal in this demo is to open the insert function dialog box. If you hold down the Alt key, you will see letters next to each of the commands. Try it out. Let's suppose that you want to activate the formulas tab. As you can see, it is the letter M. So hold down the Alt key and press the letter M. Now every feature of the formulas tab has a letter or a double set of letters. For example, if you want to insert a function, you have to press the letter F and the dialog box opens. If you want the letters to disappear, try the escape key. Don't forget that if you want to minimize the ribbon, you can press Ctrl plus F1. This is an overview of how to use the keyboard to access ribbon commands. If you never use them, I highly recommend trying it. It will save you time in the long run. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.